I've just arrived at Jax-Glam. So I'm age 47, not 21 anymore. And unfortunately, there's a lot about my skin on my face I don't like anymore. So you've got these saggy bags under my eyes. You've got the wrinkles. You've got a lot of sun damage from a lot of sunbathing. Red patches, weird looking spots on my face. Just aging and not very elastic anymore. Also this chin, it's all very, not very good. Hopefully I can improve this today. Felt amazing. It was so warm and I don't know what the word is. Like a massage. Beautiful. Just felt like it was smoothing all my horrible lines away. My face looks brighter almost. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I love it. My first session of microneedling. I have to say it felt very nice. It was like lots of tiny little massages all over my face and over my neck. I have to say, look at this, my chin. It's looking a lot more firmer. Every bit of my skin is looking firmer. It definitely looks younger.